is Agent Delphi. I'm a dream investigator. The reason that you're watching this video is that you have a dream imagery that you have a question about. If you can't solve this dream imagery yourself, you've come to the right place. This is the Dream Investigation Agency. I specialize in investigating dreams. These are cases that involve abstractions, images, unsettling events during the times of sleep. We draw upon from a knowledge of the Hermetic tradition, tarot symbolism. Many of these elements in the collective unconscious or the archetypal conscious are very similar, and we rely on that. One of the benefits from the Western mystery tradition is that we're actually able to hack into the dreams and participate with certain elements of the content, and thereby resolve these problems on a much quicker basis, merely than simply through analysis. But they are a way of actually burrowing into the unconscious mind, to the source of the information that we use to determine our success. Exactly why you clicked this link and you're watching this video right now. We have the ability to analyze and decode any dream, any time that the unconscious speaks in the language of symbolism and abstraction. We are able to come in and cut into this information, hack into it, and extract the language, the actual viral intent that's trying to be processed through the imagery. Many times, if this information cannot just be worked out through the symbolism, what we've found effective is to actually hack into the dream itself and sort of interact with the unconscious material. We have found that in 99.9% of the time they were able to come out with the most positive response and elicit the most beneficial results. I don't believe that dreams are unreal. I don't believe that any product of the mind is less real than any other product of the mind. I believe that there are studies that show that the unconscious mind reacts to a vividly visualized image almost the same that it does, or entirely the same that it does, as an actual image that it's perceiving. This goes all the way down to eliciting biological responses from the visualization. If you're familiar with Symbology 101, you will understand about how powerful and important visualizations that are locked into the biology of desire. At least that's what I learned from Chris Titan. The dream investigation process that I use involves a process of psychic rapport that I hope to develop even further with the use of the psychic rapport parties and techniques that Ben Mack has developed. But the ability to sort of tune to the same frequency as the client is an ability that I have developed through the practice of radiesthesia, which is a French art of detecting vibrations with the physical apparatus of the body. The very subtle fibers of the nervous system act like fine wires that can detect very subtle changes. The dream work that we employ uses the 8th circuit of the Wilson-Leary model of consciousness. ability to tune to frequencies on a non-local field is practical, and it is something that we can show at least vaguely mathematically. There is no doubt a great deal of biological energy that's bound up in this dream imagery. If you've come this far, that you have a real need to talk to somebody, have these images returned to your consciousness with some sort of meaning. This kind of mystery, not only does it satisfy your curiosity, which is dying to be satisfied, but it actually will, when done properly, release biological trapped energies that will actually propel you towards your goal. If this is something that you're interested in pursuing further, you can find me on Keen, Agent Delphi, Keen.com, and also I will be attending the ESP boot camp in Boise, Idaho, January 31st through February 2nd. This is going to be Ben Mac's birthday. Should be a pretty crazy event, and we're going to learn apparently how to monetize these abilities we have to see into realms that other people generally can't perceive. Look forward to seeing you there, or stay tuned for some more of these videos.